The world is changing rapidly, and technology is at the forefront of this transformation. We live in a digital age where everything is interconnected and online. From social interactions to business transactions, the digital realm is now an integral part of our daily lives. To succeed in this fast-paced world, you need digital skills. These skills are the key to unlocking countless opportunities. They are not just for tech experts anymore. Everyone, regardless of their profession or age, can benefit from being digitally literate. From ordering groceries to finding a job, digital skills are essential for everyone. They simplify tasks and make life more convenient. Learning these skills can open doors to new opportunities and a brighter future. Whether it's advancing in your career or exploring new hobbies, digital proficiency is a game changer. Without digital skills, it's like trying to navigate a new city without a map. You may feel lost and overwhelmed. You might get lost or left behind in this digital era. The world moves fast and keeping up is crucial. But don't worry. Learning digital skills is easier than you think. With the right resources and a bit of practice, anyone can become proficient. With a little effort and guidance, anyone can master these essential skills. There are numerous courses, tutorials, and workshops available to help you on this journey. This essay will guide you on your journey to becoming digitally proficient. Embrace the digital age and unlock your full potential. What exactly are digital skills? In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, digital skills are more important than ever. Simply put, they are the skills you need to use digital devices and the internet effectively. These skills enable you to interact with the digital world seamlessly. Think of it as knowing how to communicate and navigate in the online world. Whether you're sending a message, searching for information, or sharing content, digital skills are essential. This includes basic skills like browsing the internet, sending emails, and using social media. These foundational skills are the building blocks for more advanced digital competencies. Beyond the basics, digital skills encompass a wide range of abilities. They open up new opportunities for learning, working, and connecting with others. From creating presentations and managing spreadsheets, which are crucial for many professional tasks, to coding websites and analyzing data, which are highly sought-after skills in the tech industry, there's a digital skill for every interest and career path. Whether you're a creative, an analyst, or an entrepreneur, digital skills can enhance your capabilities. These skills are not just about using technology, they are about leveraging technology to achieve your goals. They're about using technology to learn, create, connect, and thrive in a digital world. Embracing digital skills can transform your personal and professional life. Let's start with the fundamentals. Imagine you want to share a photo with your family. You can use email to quickly send it to everyone. Or picture yourself looking for a new recipe. A quick internet search can provide countless options. These are just simple examples of how essential digital skills are in our daily lives. Other essential skills include creating and using online accounts, understanding online safety and privacy, and being able to find reliable information online. These skills empower you to connect with loved ones, access information, and manage your daily tasks with ease. Section 4, Level Up. Exploring advanced digital skills. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can explore more advanced skills. Interested in building websites? Learning coding can make that happen. Want to protect yourself from online threats? Cybersecurity skills are crucial. These advanced skills can open doors to exciting career opportunities. Data analysis, digital marketing, graphic design. These are just a few examples of fields where digital skills are highly valued. Remember, learning is a continuous journey. As technology advances, so should your skills. Embrace the challenge and keep exploring new possibilities. Section 5. Your digital journey begins today. Practical tips and motivation. Ready to embark on your digital skills journey? It's an exciting path filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Start by exploring free online resources like Google Digital Garage or Khan Academy. These platforms are treasure troves of knowledge, offering a wide range of courses. These platforms offer courses for all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing skills, there's something for everyone. Practice makes perfect. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice your skills. Consistency is key, and having a structured schedule can make a huge difference in your learning journey. Remember, learning new skills takes time and effort. It's normal to face challenges along the way, but perseverance will lead to success. Don't be afraid to ask for help or start with small steps. Every expert was once a beginner, and seeking guidance can accelerate your progress. Celebrate your progress and focus on the positive impact these skills will have on your personal and professional life. Each milestone is a step towards a brighter future. Embrace the digital world with confidence and watch as new opportunities unfold before you. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated will keep you ahead. The future is digital, and the time to master these skills is now. Equip yourself with the knowledge and tools to thrive in this digital era.